Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Vlogmas Day 15, guys. We are almost there. Today, I wanted to come to you to talk to you a little bit about one of my favorite plants, but I wanted to give you a little information, but I'm going to give you more detail about the plant in the description box. So, my husband was out at an estate sale, and he came home with this plant. I didn't know it. I was just outside watering this plant, and I kept saying, what is this plant? It looks kind of weird. And I asked him, I said, what is this plant? He says, I have no idea. The folks didn't know. They just gave it to me. They said they just thought it was a weird plant too, so they just gave it to him. So I'm watering it, and I'm watering it. I'm like, this is kind of weird. I said, it looks like that plant from that movie. Little shop of horror. It looks just like that plant from that movie, Little Shop of Horror. And I looked at it and I was like, this is weird. So I called my mom. And my mom is one that knows about all types of plants and flowers and whatnot. So I called her and I said, hey, he came home with this plant and I'm just watering it. It's not doing anything. It's just there. It's just this green plant with this big old thing on it. It just looks kind of weird. You guys gonna see that in the photos. And she says, let me see it. So I sent her a picture of it, and she looked at it and she called me back. She says, girl, that's an amaryllis. That is known as the Christmas plant. And it blooms around Christmas time and it multiplies. And I'm sitting there like, that plant on Little Shop of Horror, I think it multiplied too, and it's so weird. I said, if I go out there one day and this plant opens up and says, feed Miss Seymour, I am going to scream. So, ironically enough, the plant opened into this beautiful flower, and it actually multiplies, and it comes back every year. It tolerates the weather here in Georgia, very low maintenance, so it's a beautiful plant. So I think this year I may get lucky and it may open up on Christmas Day, fully blossom on Christmas Day, and you guys are going to hear me scream all the way from Lilburn, Georgia to wherever you are, because it opens up every year, but it hit or miss. So it may get the 24th, it may get the 26th, it may get the 20th or the 18th. So I was talking to one of my YouTube friends the other day. I'm not going to call the name out. And I was like, oh my gosh, I got to get the phone. I got to take a picture. My amaryllis is blooming. And she said, what is that? I said, I got a video coming out. You'll see it. It's a pretty plant, and you could actually see it open just a little bit, like Seymour. Now, see, his name wasn't Seymour, but like that plant, it's a little bit at a time. Not that much, just like a little bit. And each day I've gone in, and it's like this. So right now, you'll see the picture. I've got it. So, and this one is going to have more than one bloom on it. So sometimes it can have multiple blooms on it. Just depends on how much is in that pocket. So it's a beautiful plant. So I'm not going to hold you long. I'm going to let you go ahead and see the pictures of the flower. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And like I said, it comes in an array of colors. I have a white. I have a pink and white, which is the Christmas one, which is the red and white. I have red, the other red Christmas one. Beautiful. And you just pollinate it. You'll see the little yellow stuff around one of the red flowers. That's when it's pollinating, and it falls into the soil and it multiplies. You get more out of it. Beautiful plant, and it makes a great Christmas gift. I think you're gonna love it. It's beautiful. Thank you. Yes, this beautiful plant can grow inside and outside. Very low maintenance. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please be safe out there. Make sure that you wear your face covering, your mask. Make sure you are using the hand sanitizing, and also practicing your social distancing. Make sure you're giving to the Salvation Army or any nonprofit organization that is giving back to the community. Be safe. Do not leave your packages in the car, and just be particular and aware of your surroundings. God bless you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share because sharing is caring. And then if you're not a member of the channel, subscribe to my channel and then go right next door and click that notification bell so that you can be notified of all of my videos when they are uploaded. I thank you again for joining me. See you next time. God bless you. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.